as you know, we spend a lot of time we're making sure that our assistant, our good data assistant, is not a ChatGPT wrapper, right? But it's a really enterprise grade data privacy and no hallucination, right? Which is something that I tend to call our AI philosophy, right? Making sure we never share data with LLMs, making sure that they can never hallucinate, right? Because they're grounded in our semantic model. And shortly after we launch our assistant, and this was a big eye opener for me. Our customers start coming to us and saying like, we love your philosophy, but we want to, tens and dozens of different of these agents, right? And all of them, they should have one should have a different tone of voice, and one should have some specific instructions, and one should have some additional knowledge, right? And one should have some special access to data or tools, right? So using our foundation, like agentic foundation, on top of which we build our assistant and start creating, the clones with a special instructions, right? And so this is the experience that we are enabling to do very quickly through a couple of steps in a wizard. Make sure that you can get all of your all of our best practices of designing like enterprise grade assistants, but then tailor it to your needs. And yeah, we really see, I think one of the things that I see in the industry is coming to more and more granular agents, right? So that's the first step where you have these good foundations, then you create these granular steps, granular agents, and then you start connecting them to agentic workflows. And when we look what OpenAI just launched last week with agentic workflows, I think that's definitely a future, right? Like have your army of agents, everyone designed and instructed for a specific task, and then let them work together in a bigger chains, like in this really goal-oriented agentic workflows. So that's one
Yeah,
fundamental step.